The nighttime atmosphere in Ukraine is becoming increasingly tense, with hundreds of Geran-2 drones being launched relentlessly and brutally. Has Ukraine's air defense system now become completely non-functional? The attacks carried out by Russia on Ukrainian territory in recent times have shown increasing intensity and complexity. Through the official Telegram channel of the Russian Ministry of Defense, the public was shown footage of the Geran-2 UAV teams launching strikes on temporary Ukrainian troop positions near Shkovo, as well as a key ammunition depot near Toretsk. This ammunition depot is a critical point in Ukraine's military supply chain, serving as a storage facility for weapons, explosives, and combat equipment vital for frontline operations. The destruction of such a depot can cause major disruptions to ongoing battles, reducing the ability of Ukrainian forces to hold positions and carry out counterattacks. Imagine the situation faced by Ukrainian troops when subjected to continuous attacks, especially during the night. On a night filled with tension, more than 100 Russian Geran-2 UAVs approached various targets across Ukraine, including the capital city of Kyiv and its surrounding areas. The attack did not rely solely on drones, but was also accompanied by the launch of approximately 10 Iskander missiles targeting strategic points. Other cities such as Sumy, Odessa, Dnipro, Kharkiv, and Poltava were also targets of this massive assault. Additional footage that surfaced shows that aside from Odessa and Kyiv, the Geran-2 drones also targeted military installations in Kharkiv and its surroundings, as well as in Kramatorsk, located in the Donetsk People's Republic, an area still held by Ukrainian forces. The devastating Geran-2 UAV strikes also targeted temporary staging areas of Ukrainian armed forces units around Razino, Sofievka, and Sosnovka. In addition, key bridges near Shkovo and Vladimirovka in the Donetsk People's Republic were hit, along with a UAV command post near Yoblanivka and the Donetsk Joint Task Force camp near Popasna Dnipro. These nighttime strikes are not uncommon, as previous reports noted that around 50 Geran-2 UAVs had attacked targets in Odessa and its surrounding areas, as well as in the Kharkiv, Dnipro, and Sumy regions. On several occasions, 7 missiles were launched at both Odessa and Kharkiv, indicating a well-coordinated and carefully planned pattern of attacks. The effectiveness of the Geran-2 UAVs in carrying out these strikes is closely linked to technological innovations integrated into the drones. According to a report from the Telegram channel Military Informant, the Geran-2 kamikaze drones have undergone significant upgrades. Technicians have equipped the drones with thermal imaging cameras, a breakthrough that greatly enhances their operational capabilities. These thermal imaging cameras allow the drones to detect heat signatures, enabling them to target with high precision even in total darkness, heavy fog, or thick smoke. This development has drawn the attention of military analysts and tech enthusiasts alike, as it marks a major evolution in how drones operate on the modern battlefield. The latest version of the Geran-2 integrates advanced components that significantly enhance overall performance. A thermal imaging camera is paired with an NVIDIA Jetson Orin single-board computer, which powers the targeting system. This camera can detect infrared radiation, allowing the drone to identify heat-emitting objects such as vehicles or personnel, even in total darkness. Unlike conventional optical systems, this setup excels in low-visibility environments. The NVIDIA Jetson Orin processes data in real time, using machine vision algorithms to analyze thermal images and guide the drone to its target. In addition, the Talisman-controlled reception pattern antenna improves satellite navigation accuracy and provides resistance to signal interference. Another key differentiator of this model is its direct radio control system. Operators can control the drone in real time, unlike previous versions that heavily relied on pre-programmed routes. As a result, the latest Geran-2 achieves a much higher level of autonomy and precision. The thermal camera detects heat signatures, the Jetson Orin processes the data, and the controlled reception pattern antenna ensures accurate navigation. The combination of these three components makes this drone a highly effective tool in various modern combat scenarios. The advantages of thermal imaging cameras are highly evident in various situations. For example, a tank hidden behind camouflage netting can still be detected through its heat emissions, which cannot be concealed by conventional visual camouflage. This technology enables more precise strikes, allowing operators to target high-value assets while minimizing damage to the surrounding area. Night operations also benefit significantly, as drones can function optimally even when visibility is near zero. Additionally, thermal imaging supports reconnaissance missions by identifying enemy positions without relying on natural light. Compared to other guidance systems such as laser or GPS-based targeting, thermal imaging offers a unique advantage in environments where visual or electronic interference is common. In ongoing conflicts, this capability is changing the tactical dynamics on the battlefield. Strikes can now be carried out under conditions that were previously considered favorable to defenders, such as at night or when fog and smoke blanket the combat zone. The Geran-2 drone can penetrate visual barriers like smoke screens deployed by Ukrainian forces, thus increasing its operational flexibility and effectiveness. This advantage forces commanders to design missions with stealth and precision as top priorities, no longer relying solely on ideal weather or lighting conditions. With all these technical innovations and the growing intensity of attacks, the situation in conflict zones is becoming increasingly complex and dynamic. Every strike has a significant impact on both sides, especially in terms of logistics and survivability on the battlefield. The continuous advancement of drone technology, like the Geran-2, plays a crucial role in reshaping tactics and strategies in modern warfare. Nighttime strikes supported by advanced technology illustrate how modern combat no longer depends solely on physical strength, but also on technological superiority and precision intelligence. Geran-2 certainly deserves a place of recognition, doesn't it? Or do you think drones from NATO are the best? That's all for today, and thanks for watching.